Momentum 2 is a proven printer platform with a new set of enhanced technologies for further advancement in quality, yield, productivity, ease of use, and flexibility. MPM's rigid frame is welded for low vibrations, and major assemblies are driven by precision ball screws. This allows for higher repeatability and greater reliability over time. Momentum 2 has an advanced printhead featuring a high-precision load cell with closed-loop pressure control for precise and consistent squeegee force. The Momentum 2 Elite is the top performer of the Momentum series, boasting the highest throughput and shortest cycle times of all. It's configured with a highly efficient triple-track rail system that shortens cycle time by buffering PCBs inside the machine. The Momentum was already a feature-rich platform, but the Momentum 2 adds even more. New EdgeLoc board clamping removes the need for top clamps, which interfere with the PCB to stencil contact. The result is optimal gasketing and more consistent edge-to-edge prints. MPM's new paste management system includes an industry-first paste temperature monitor that ensures proper paste viscosity to avoid bridging and voiding. Upper and lower limit roll height monitoring prevents defects caused by excessive or inadequate volumes of paste on the stencil. It's a non-contact solution that can automatically add more paste to the stencil as it is needed when combined with one of MPM's automatic paste dispensers. Choose the cartridge dispenser or the new jar dispenser, which is available in a single or dual jar configuration. New quick-release squeegee blades make changing blades quick and easy with no tools required. It takes less than 30 seconds to change the blade. A new adjustable stencil shelf provides the flexibility to handle all stencil sizes with a simple adjustment of the shelf. MPM's benchmark software has been upgraded to Windows 10 with new production tools and new quick start programming to make it even easier to use. Momentum 2 is available with a host of performance-enhancing technologies, including a patented tooling system for automatic pin placement, Camelot inside dispensing, rapid clean high-speed stencil cleaning, print track traceability, and SPI print optimizer. And using Open Apps, we can provide support for Industry 4.0 factory automation standards. Contact ITW EAE today for more information on the new MPM Momentum 2.